head over to your favorite search engine and then just go ahead and search for Amazon affiliate program, which is what I did over here. And for the first result, most likely it will be the first result, right? So go ahead and give it a click right here, and then you'll be brought to this particular page. And then what you have to do next is to just go ahead and click sign up right here, and then just go ahead and key in your Amazon account. Or if you don't have an Amazon account, you can go ahead and create your Amazon account over here first. Alright, so once you have keyed in your particulars for your new Amazon account, you can go back and sign in with your new Amazon account to create your affiliate program account. Alright, so once you have registered and you have signed in with a new Amazon account, you will then be presented with this. As you can see over here, there are like 4 stages. First one will be your account information, second will be your website and mobile app list, third will be your profile, and lastly it will be start using Associates Central. Alright, so after scrolling down, what you have to do first is you have to key in your account information. So basic information such as your name, your address, your city, your state, your postal code, your country, phone number, all those basic stuff. So after you have keyed in, just go ahead and click on next over here. Alright, so once you have clicked next, this is the second page. And then for here, what you can enter is you can either enter your website such as your blog, or maybe social media platforms such as YouTube, which is one of the more commonly used platform for promoting your Amazon affiliate links. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and use my YouTube link and I'm gonna paste it over here, and I'll click add. Alright, and then what we're gonna do next is just click next. And then for this part, are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? For me, I'm just gonna go ahead and click no and confirm. So over here for the next page, which is for the profile, under this section, what is your preferred associates store ID? This is just basically a ID or a username for your associate store. It's nothing too serious, it's just something for you to identify yourself. Yeah, so maybe you can make it sound better or anything that is of your preference. So I'm just gonna go ahead and key in. And then for the second section over here, tell us about the content you create. You just basically give them a description about your YouTube channel. So for my particular YouTube channel, what I do is how to make money online or business and finance related topics. Alright, so for the next section, which of the following best describes your content? For me, it will be search content. And then the next one, how do you hear about us? For me, I'm just gonna go ahead and put online search. And then after you're done with that, just go ahead and fill in the captcha over here. Once you're done solving the captcha, just go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions over here and click finish. Alright, so once you are done creating the account, upon clicking finish, this is what you will be presented with, and our application will be reviewed shortly after we have referred qualified sales to Amazon.com. However, in the meantime, we have been granted full access to Associate Central 24 hours a day. However, if our affiliate links have not referred qualified sales after 180 days, our application and access to Associates Central will be withdrawn. So let's get to earning and let's start making money online. Alright, and then for the next section over here, enter your payment and tax information. I'll just go ahead and fill it in later. Alright, so as you can see over here, this is my Amazon Associates dashboard, which is a newly created account. So if you want to generate the link, which is the most important thing in order to generate money, just go ahead and click the tools section right here and click on site stripe. And as you can see over here, if you want to generate the link, we will be having this new grey in color banner or bar right above the Amazon.com webpage. So let's go ahead and go to one product and see whether we have the bar or not. Alright, so right over here, as you can see, this is just a random vlogging camera that I've found. And as you can see right above here, as you can see, there is the bar at the top of the web page. So in order to generate the link, what we have to do is just gotta go ahead and click over here, get link, and the text. Yeah, so right here, that's it. There it is. This is the link that we can start earning money from. All we have to do right now is just to go ahead and copy it, and then if anyone clicks on the link, then we will get a cut from it, a certain percentage. It all depends on your product and what niche that you're trying to sell in, because different products, different categories, you actually get paid differently according to the different categories that you are selling from. Alright, so over here, this is the short link. As you can see, there's also the full link version over here. As you can see, it's a bit long. It is very long, and it's not really ideal if you're trying to promote it at YouTube or any other form of platform. So the ideal scenario is to go ahead and click on the short link and then just promote this link. And yeah, that's it. That's all there is to it. So once you have the link, just go ahead and click it and paste it on whichever platform they are using, and yeah, you'll start earning money. Simple as that. Alright, so this is a picture of the fixed commission income rates from Amazon Associates program. As you can see, every single category, it actually pays out differently. So it ranges from 0% all the way to 20%. So Amazon Games, 20%, Luxury, Beauty, Luxury Stores, Beauty, Amazon Explore, you get 10%. And the rest is like, 5%, 4%, 3%, 2%, and 1%. Yeah, so keep in mind that different categories earns differently as well. Yeah, so yeah, that's all there is to it for this video, and hope you guys can earn money from this.